Good morning, this is Yoshida from Japan. In this channel, I share information security topics like ISMS and the privacy mark from a practical, real-world perspective. So today's topic is, how do other companies actually do this? I hear this question all the time. How do other companies handle ISMS or PMARC? Especially in smaller companies, people often say, I'm doing everything by myself. There is no one I can ask. It's our first time, so I don't know what the right answer is. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. So, let me say this clearly. Most companies move forward while dealing with smaller problems. In many cases, they don't have a perfect system. They just keep going little by little while figuring things out.
Music licensing reimagined.
Common small company patterns. Here are some common examples I see. The IT person is also in charge of security as a side role. The administration teams runs PMARC on top of their normal work. Top management says just get a certification, but the field team struggles. This is not rare. This is rare in many small and mid-sized companies. So, how do they make it work? Companies that are doing well usually have one thing in common. They don't aim for perfection at the beginning. They focus on making things work as process. For example, start with the minimum and improve step by step. Don't carry everything alone. Share small tasks with others. Don't focus rules. Adjust rules so people can actually follow them. This small change makes a big difference over time. Here's an important point. Other companies' ways are not the correct answer. They are just a difference. Because every company is different, like different people, different culture, different policies. So, instead of searching for the perfect answer, try this. Find the best fit for your company. That's what matters most. So today, we talked about how other small and mid-sized companies handle ISMS and PMARCs in real life. The key message is simple. Not the perfect answer, just the best fit. Most companies are not perfect, so you don't need to panic. Take ideas from others and build a way that works for your team. Next time, we'll go one step further. So what should we do first? That's all for today. Have a great day and see you next time. Bye bye.